Alright everybody, Car Maniac 125 here. It's been a while since I've put a video out on YouTube. I've been very busy. But anyway, before we begin with the video, I just wanted to give a big shout out to Warehouse 9000. That is an eBay store that has really got the best customer service imaginable. I ordered a fluid film kit, the Pro kit. Got the big 5-gallon bucket of fluid film and all the gun, the bottles, attachments, all that. But I ordered it late in the day, and it was at my doorstep the very next day. That really impressed me. I just wanted to give them a shout out. I've been meaning to do this for a good number of months. It's just been very hectic. Cold weather, I found out, just totally destroys my cameras as far as battery power is concerned. So I wasn't even able to do a exhaust system install, but this video today is going to be the sound test for it. And that is it's a Gibson catback exhaust system. It is a true dual exhaust system for a 2008 Toyota Tundra, which I think it actually goes like 2007 to 2013. I'll double check and make sure. I'll have it in the description down below. Anyway, let's get started. Alright everybody, there's what the tailpipes look like coming out the end. Don't mind the dirt, it's a truck. I drive it every day. But I have both exiting out the back here on the passenger side. It is a true dual exhaust setup. Oh, get underneath here to show you. There's the dual pipes going in. It has one single muffler. As you see, it's been on there for a little while. And it has two going into it, like that. Then you can see the rest of it up there where it hooks up to your cats. I'll have the part number for you in the video description below. But yeah, I've had this on for about a year now. Now we'll go ahead and have an initial startup. That's what she sounds like. Nice, mellow. Now, rev it up, hon. Do it again. Thunderous. Very thunderous. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Catback exhaust system, 2008 Toyota Tundra. This is the inside. It doesn't really rumble a whole heck of a lot on the inside of the cab. Now this is at me cruising 55. Very faint resonant sound inside the cab. It's tolerable. My kids fall asleep to it. So that's what it sounds like on the inside. We're going to get down here a little bit further and we're going to be doing some drive-by sounds and whatnot. So, alrighty. There's the proof. Kids fall asleep to the exhaust system.